Rainy day, lockdown, prices have gone up, materials are much more expensive now. They aren't able to deliver, so Dad and I came to pick up our stuff. So we put some stuff in the little car. Luckily Dad's truck is still here, so we've strapped a bunch of stuff to the top of his car. So useful. Big cars. And off we go. We're removing this section of the wall, put in a pocket door, and this is structural, so we need to reinforce that section.
Knife hands, you mean?
Today is the day!
Yes, it is the day.
We're installing skylights! Woohoo! We're installing 3 skylights in total in the main cabin. We're super excited because it's going to bring so much more light into the space. We have never installed a skylight before, so this will be a whole new experience for all of us. And yeah, fingers crossed. So right now we have to remove the shingles on the roof first, and we're gonna cut a giant hole. Plug it in!
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. There's nothing, feels like I'm not doing this right.
I guess we won't finish the skylight today.
I guess we won't. It is a disappointment, but it will bring future fun for us.
What happened?
Well, if you come over here, this step flashing installation kit shows exactly how we need to install the what they call Velux adhesive underlayment over here. As you can see, we are going to peel it off and then stick it on and then cut it really nicely.
Yep.
However, while all the pictures from all the stores show it included in the package, it is apparently not included in the package.
Nope.
Yeah. And so we don't have it, and we can't finish it tonight.
Oh. So now we have a giant hole on our roof with no skylight.
Which is technically like a skylight. And she perks out of the skylight.
I guess we're gonna tarp it and hope for no rain.
The poor man's skylight.
yeah, we're just gonna leave this on for now, you know, at least to cover it, and then put some tarps over it. Goodbye. We shall meet again. Skylight. It's done! Why are you guys so quiet? What happened?
We got it in just as it started to rain and hail.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I wasn't here. I was out getting nails and food.
Thanks, Lily. We needed it.
Yeah. Oh, it was a rush at the end for sure.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
But we're
So
happy we
good.
got one in.
And we're happy that Wes didn't start cutting the hole for the second one.
I know you were about to
I was
start
just
on the
about
second
to.
one, right? Yeah.
Or started off like tearing up the shingles at least.
Awesome. Looks great.
It's so bright.
You know, imagine having 3. Dun, dun. And now we get pizza! Woohoo!
Yes.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
all the time now. I guess that you never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want me sometimes. So